Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Anisa binti Muhammad Nazri, student of Bachelor Electrical Engineering with honor. And today I would like to present my programming project, tic-tac-toe game in Python for subject Computer Programming for Engineers. As you can see, this is the format that I use to create the board of tic-tac-toe, and this is the dictionary with I range 1 until 9. Next, this is the function to display the board of the tic-tac-toe. So when the print board is called, the board of tic-tac-toe will be print. Next, this is the function for menu, which for welcoming player and ask them if they want to start the game or not. And if the player enter one, it's mean yes. So the program will call player input and start the game. And then if they enter 0 is mean no. So the program will print come again when you're ready to play. Else, if they enter none of 1 or 0, the program will print wrong choice back to menu and call the menu back. And then for this part, this is player input function to get input name from players and determine the players whether represent X or 0. And as you can see here, actually the player will be automatically represent according to player 1 will represent X and player 2 will represent 0. And then proceed to the game, called the game function. And then this is a line function used to make the participant make the program become more neat. And then to make the separation and make the program become more neat. And then for this part, this is play again function, asks if player wants to restart the game or not. And basically it will call at the end of the game to ask player if they want to play again or not. And if they enter Y, so the program will call back the player input and game function. And if they enter N or else, program will execute thank you and see you again. So this is the main function which has all the gameplay functionality. So first declare X and 0, and for this part, for I in range 10, it means the input need to according the range of 1 until 9 according to the arrangement that I explained just now about the board of tic-tac-toe. So next, this is the input movement in the game. When the board move equal to turn means the move is from the turn here, whether it's X or 0. Enter their turn with um, with the range 1 until 9. And then if the so program will print the number they entered. The program will print X or 0 according to the number that the the player input, the player enter. So next, this is else, which is if the player if the player choose place that already filled, so the program will execute this part, and then the player will be given the next chance to move again. And then for this part is how we determine the winner for every move after 5 moves. So as you can see, for 7, 8, 9 is across the top, 4, 5, 6 across the middle, 1, 2, 3 across the bottom, 1, 4, 7 down the left side, 2, 5, 8 down the middle, 8, 3, 6, 9 down the right side, and then diagonal for 7, 5, 3, and 1, 5, 9. And as you can see, for each case, they will execute game over. Congratulations to the turn according to the last player who make move, and then you won. And call back the play again function to ask player if they want to play again or not. And then break. For if the game tie, so the program will execute this part, and game over, it's a tie, play again, call the play again function too, and then break. And then this is how the player change after every move. And then card menu. So time to see the output. Okay, so I enter 1 as yes. So enter the first player name, Nisa, and then drop. So can the game begin. So when the player who representing X have done like this, so the program will execute game over. Congratulations to X, you won. And then player need to answer whether they want to play again or not. If yes, so they will start the game back from the input of player name. And let's try this. So if like this is tie, so the program will execute like this, and then same, do you want to play again? And if I say no, and so we exit. Thank you and see you again.